Alrighty, I had to check the plumbing again because it was leaking, did it again, and I don't think it's leaking now. And then I'm finishing the shim for the walls before I put up the cement board and do the plumbing over here.
It was at this moment that I realized I had the wrong part. Now, I went to Home Depot and was asking the guy what could fit this valve, and he looked confused. He said probably 1/2 inch, and I said I already tried a 1/2 inch. And then I had my wife go to Home Depot, get 3/4 inch PEX, and that didn't fit either. And so he was really confused, and then he asked some other Home Depot employees, and they realized that it was a new thing. I don't know how new, but he said it was a cold expansion valve, and that the normal PEX crimp would not work on this. I would need an additional expansion tool to make this work, and it would cost a lot of money. Or I could just buy a different valve that uses crimp, and so that's what I did. So I suggest not getting this kind of PEX valve. Go with the normal crimp. It's easier and better for DIY. After I had to order, I just continued working on the tub, surround, shimming the walls, and getting that cement board in place. One great thing with a PEX crimp is that you can just buy a tool. It's like 40-50 bucks for it, but it's way cheaper than hiring a plumber to do this, and it's really easy. You put a crimp ring around the PEX tube, around the valve, and then you tighten it. There's a light on it so that you squeeze it as many times until the light shows up, and then it should be tight enough so you get no water leaks.
I think it's just this one right here. I think I got the plumbing done. Had a couple leaks because I didn't tighten it good enough. So make sure you tighten your PEX. And I actually have the right faucet in now. A PEX faucet and not a PEX cold expansion extender. Don't get that unless you want to order another tool. So I think the PEX is done and we should be good to finish the cement board. Yay!
I skipped part of my video here because it was just taking so long and I got a little frustrated. But what I skipped was mudding the cement board. All you do is get some mortar, get some metal tape for the seams, and then tape it all together. That is rather simple to do. And then you waterproof it. There are multiple ways to waterproof it. I chose to go with the Red Guard. You just roll it on, and you do a coat or two, and make sure everything is covered.
As you can see from, the video, I made some progress. Waterproof the walls. Well, put up all the cement board, waterproof the walls. Tub in after a long, hard, breaking time. Now I've got some mortar on my hands. But yeah, we're putting in the tile today and hopefully finishing this in the next 2 days. Now, I started this project a month ago. It's just been a while and I'm ready to get this done. Ready to get it out. So let's get it done.
These large format tiles were pretty awesome. I mean, they're pretty heavy. As long as you get the mortar that's for heavy format tile, you should be set and good to go. It's grouting day. Got my float, putting some gray grout in. My experience with doing this was pretty easy. I've only done one other shower tiling, and that was with little tiles with normal mortar. And the big tiles took less time, but I can say the difficulty on both was, around the same. I don't know which one I would prefer doing more. Probably the large format just because of the less time it would take. After grouting and wiping off all the grout, I made sure to go back 30 minutes, an hour, a few hours to wipe off the haze and try to get it as best I can without using haze remover. And so I did that pretty dang well. There were some few spots that I had to go back and get some haze remover and do it. But in general, the tile turned out really great. So that leaves us with a lot of the bathroom, the main portions of it done. The tiles all done, the tub's installed, and now I can move on to the vanity and such. So go check out that video next where I install the vanity. It's a little bit different video than this. It's fun, it's like ASMR kind of style video. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this and go check out the rest of this guest bathroom renovation, and you can see the final reveal shortly. So I will see y'all out there.